How you pull up, baby? How you pull up? How you pull up? I pull up. Step in the kitchen. Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Yeah, yeah. Never met a real nigga rock star. This ain't no. I'm eating this. I'm eating this. Yeah, I'm eating this one. I'm eating that.
Hungry?
How it tastes.
I ordered you the escargot and so they do it well here. He won't be happy. Oh, you must be curious. Ask away.
I got my drink.
Can I be open with you?
I'm gonna eat this.
Frankly, you're a disgrace to the family. You've a gambling habit that'll either get you killed or at the very least maimed.
I'm gonna try the whole thing.
You're never married and you're sleeping around as if you've just discovered your Willie. As for your engineering degree, well, your business is a disaster.
What am I doing here?
I'm prepared to pay off all your debts.
Dang,
Every single
you guys
one
are
of them,
chicken
which
fluff.
at this moment in time
You.
amount to
You got
exactly
four.
88,950 pounds.
You're gonna be all the way down. You're not gonna drink your drink.
It's not all that. Of course, I'll want something in exchange. Well, I want you to move abroad.
Spicy.
Leave England. Where?
You'll be living in Nova Scotia.
This juice help.
That's
My
Canada.
throat.
If you don't know
My
where
throat
it
is
is.
sore.
Why?
Well, we've had family living there for the past 200 years.
I'm gonna take this out
we're getting a
tomorrow.
bit thin on the ground. It's a tradition I want to maintain. Here. Here. 365 days. Not a day less.
Wait, let me see what it
And then
says.
if you're not happy, well, you
I
can
ain't
always
gonna
return
get
to
this
England
when we
and
get
pick up your debauched life.
Darkly Elementary
Oh, and by the way,
class
if you leave in
of
mind,
2020.
That's in 2 days.
yes.
We're going to
Your
middle
friends
school
won't kill you with it.
next week. Psych.
Here's your ticket
Next year.
for Halifax. You'll be met at the
Well,
airport
like-
by a man named Frederick. He's working.
It ain't
for a
no
number
next
of
year
years.
no more.
He looks after my house where you'll be
It ain't
staying.
no next year no
Now
more, so it
there's
don't matter.
work papers
It's
and a visa. Last a year.
What am I supposed to do there?
Try working.
Doing what?
I got my Roblox card.
So, Monday, 13:05, your plane leaves. Be on it.
And I got
for the dealers.
Bloxburg and some new clothes. So go to
Enjoy your meal.
Samantha underscore Vincent SAMANTHA underscore BRISON.
Oh, by the way, Harry, ever notice anything strange?
And go
about
to my
yourself?
brother's. Huh? What? What you trying to? I can do notifications every day. And I gotta check on mommy's computer. And I don't gotta get them on my phone.
So I say, you get the plane ticket, get it refunded,
Thank
should be
God
close
it's
to what you
messed
owe those
up.
Russians, tell your uncle to bugger off.
I was wrong with you. I don't rob my uncle. When he just met him. Besides, fucking really funny.
You checked, right?
Got this
And
chicken.
get it refunded.
Yeah, check.
Oh my God, this.
But that's
And
besides
this
the
and
point.
this. He got 2 left.
I'm not going to go to the can. This is ridiculous.
I reckon the Charlies here tell you to go.
I said they good.
I'm serious. You don't talk about Charlie. Sorry.
I was just asking you because you eat them fast.
So, Alec.
We're fine. That's my sister Adrian. That's my brother Edgy.
You have the money for Mr. Messi?
Leave him alone, right? It's going to get you your bloody money.
His rapping channel is RUBG Ryan.
Somebody playing games.
It's hot. I know I cannot say hey. Hey y'all. What's your name? I'm back again.
Tell me your sins, my son.
Christ.
We'll have to add those to whatever else you confess.
Hiding me, okay?
This is a sacred sacrament. Get out.
No, please, they
So good. Who wants to harm you?
Oh no, they hot.
I just put some on.
I don't want no barbecue sauce. I don't eat barbecue. Blah blah. Barbecue sauce. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have to pause now. This is the house of the Lord. I don't believe either one of you is praying, so be about your business elsewhere, please.
Oh. Why does it look blue in the background?
Stay for a while. Those men aren't going to go away just like that. Come here and tell me what's going on with you. Maybe I can give you some advice.
Look, Father, just
Sit down. You owe me this at least. Sit and talk.
Why is it burned?
It seems your life is not going well, is it? I think you should move again. I think it's God's way of giving you a second chance.
trust me, my uncle doesn't work for God.
Let me tell you a story.
No, please, Father, I'm gonna go.
It must be good to you.
There was this parish
Sorry.
priest in a church, and the rain was so bad for months that the town was flooding, and people were forced to leave.
That's your
But the
job.
priest said, God, you save me. So he
Uh-uh.
stayed behind.
Don't
And
end
when
it.
the
No,
water was up to
no.
his waist, they sent in the police to evacuate. And
Face,
then they sent in the
face
firemen
underscore
and the
case.
army with a boat. Always he refused.
I do got
Then
another
even the
one.
God would be the one to save.
Stop.
So he drowned. And when he come face to face with God, he complained. He said, God, why did you abandon me? God said, I sent the police.
As he is doing.
And even the army
My
with a
cousin
boat.
how.
But still you would not listen.
Well,
I think God sent you.
really.
Go to Canada.
That's my other girlfriend.
Lady! So I can talk to light. I don't want to talk to light.
Okay. So now I'm in the kitchen because I was not gonna eat in the dark. I feel like my other tooth finna come out. It's hot. I just want to throw it away.
Few things about the dust you should know. Sometimes the furnace breaks down, does, don't shake it. Fridge is not great, but your food won't spoil. Go on the phone. Washers in the back.
Joanne Blocksberg at 2 a.m.
Use of that. Fresh linen towels in the closet.
If you have Robux and
Is there any incident?
join Piggy or Dot Me.
Well, your uncle
Well,
find your car.
Piggy at 1, and then Dummy at 3 a.m., 3 a.m., 2 a.m., 1 a.m. If you're a girl, at 4 o'clock, join the Bad Girls Club. What? Can you see me where I don't watch you like that? No, I just look back. I'm gonna put this water on you. Get a glass of wine. Look, this one gonna be definitely hot. I got the hottest ones. I'm throwing them on. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. We are upstairs except for Mom and Dad because their friend goes. Oh, they already sleep. They go to sleep at 11. They sleep. My mama wanted me to eat these. I don't know if they know or not. I don't know it. But like, comment, and subscribe. Whoa. And if you did not hear me, like I said, 1 o'clock, play Piggy. 2 o'clock, play Bloxburg. 3 o'clock, well, I still got my mom's computer. 3 o'clock, Adopt Me. It came to the conclusion it's not dinner. 4 o'clock, play the Bad Girls Club.
Did they even eat salad?
Yeah.
Delete. Period. Real cute, like.
Go to her house, ZZ.
Period. We got Willie Plax. Oh, y'all know that one TikTok? It be like this.
Oh, and it's like,
Come on.
it's like you put your hand through.
No, they put their head in. Come on.
Their hand.
Yeah, it's like this.
I thought it was the hand.
No, it's this. Come on. Ready?
What?
You gotta put your head in. You gotta try not to get hit. Ready?
I think it's gonna be funny.
Come on in there.
Oh my god. If I keep my head clap, I'm deleting this video.
Ready? I'm gonna clap though.
Oh.
You gotta put your head in. No. Ready? No.
She gonna
You gotta
slap
put your
me.
head in like
She gonna slap me.
I'm gonna clap first. I'm gonna clap first.
Ooh, I feel funny if you got hit like this.
Whether if you like it or you don't.
No! What you doing? No. Stop, Keyshawn. Yeah, I see his ankle problem. He got ankle. My leg already hurt, bro. I'm gonna get your leg behind back. I got back. My boy was on the floor that little. Bye, you guys. I hope you know what I said. You join me at Roblox. And I made my own game. My hair look a mess, because it is. So, bye you guys, like I said.